Jungle.
For me, to be able to share my stuff alone is amazing, but to be able to do it live and people actually be there with me in that moment is such a special thing. Standing on top of the arch was incredible. It's such a special thing. Like it took a while for it to sink in, and then suddenly it hit me. Like I was just stood there. I looked at my feet. I looked up, saw London. I was like, I'm on top of Wembley Arch right now. It's such a special moment.
Audio Jungle.